Hey, boom! What it is, what it do? Welcome to another video, another tutorial. Let's get it! Today we have Bongani there showing you these things, showing you how to get this move. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's get it, boom! That's some dance.
Why did you say my name, bro? First step. Step number 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2,
Yeah, so like you said, the first step, you just cross your legs. You saw! Just cross your fucking legs. Just
cross your
1,
legs.
2, 3.
Yeah.
Then you just, if like you don't wanna go with the motion, it can be like you just put it here, you put it there, you put this one here. That's it. But you do it like sliding here now. 1, 2,
as long as you do it. Next. Or you do the same thing but with your. Okay, since I'm left, with your right.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, same thing.
Same thing. You saw. Hi, let's move.
Then, second step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So this one, you do this. Ne? It's like 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. You like open, close, up, open, close, up.
Yeah. Then this one. I don't know how to do this thing. You open your feet or your leg.
Heels. You stand on your heels.
Yeah.
Or something.
You stand on your heels. Heels. Like stand on your heels. Yeah.
Yeah. So like you're standing, eh? Stand straight. Stand straight. And then go up, stand on your heels, ne? And then open.
Yeah.
Yeah. So but you do it all at the same time. Like Baba.
And next step. It's you open, you go backward, and you cross your legs.
Put it in.
Yeah. Faganga paga.
As long as you fagare, man, just put it in, man. Put it in.
Faganga paga.
So it's you open, one, ne? So I don't know, I can simplify this. Just open there, and then go up, and then ne? Yeah, just
As long as you
if you can't do that going fake thing, I know, some of us are simple people. We can't be doing this is too hard. For us, the simple people, is just
since you go backward, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you cross, uncross, uncross 3 times.
Do it and do, do and do,
Yeah,
do
do
and
and
do.
do.
2. So it's like when you put this in, this goes up, then this comes, and then yeah. Hopefully you got it. Let's move.
1, 2, 3. Then you jump. We do zigzags. Yeah. It's the simple way.
Yeah.
Zig with your legs.
Yeah.
Zig.
So I get to you where
1,
2, 3, jump.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. So with the zigzags.
Be on toes. Not the one that they say on toes in soccer, and you'll be like, no, you must be on toes. Like Michael Jackson. You must be on toes.
Like Michael Jackson. So I get you standing there. Your legs are on the same thing, and when you cross, you take this one, it comes in front, like there,
Zigzag.
and then you take it back, and then this one goes to the back. There. There. That's it. Let's move. There, go.
1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Even if you can, after doing the zigzag, even if you can, no, it's fine. Just do 3 steps to the left, 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so you walk. I mean, we all know how to walk. Just walk, bro. Walk, walk, walk. Open, close. Walk, walk, walk. Open, close. Open, close. Yeah, but do it with a little swag. Swag, yeah. Swag, you find Tata that sauce. Tata that sauce.
After this, you can freestyle. If you're with your friend, you can freestyle with your friend.
Yeah.
Because, you know, and talk.
Go.
Music, bro.
Woo. So let's put some music on this thing, yeah, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it. There we go. We out. Boom.
Akirani tabata galengi hadi bulen maranaya